All right, so we're gonna do dividing right now, and so I don't know what's going on with my Buster, with my dog, but he's gonna be barking randomly because a plane went by and now the whole world's ending. But I'm just gonna go with it. Okay, so we're gonna divide, and this is going to be short because we've done this already, and you were pretty good at it. I don't want you to just type these into your calculator and get your answer. There is not a plane coming to our house. Just stop. We're all safe. Okay. All right. So you're going to slide the decimal up, divide like you normally do, and then you're going to insert zeros if necessary. So on this first one, I'm doing 42.3 divided by 9. So 9 doesn't go into 4, but it goes into 42 6 times. No, it does not. It goes in there 4 times. Jeez, my dog's freaking me out. I subtract and I get 6. I slide up my decimal and I bring down the 3. Well, 9 goes into 63 7 times. So my answer is 4.7. Okay. All right. So if I did this one, 6 goes into 56.52. Okay. 6 goes into 56 9 times. That's 54. Subtract, that's 2. Bring that down, slide up your decimal. It goes in there 4 times, which is 24. Subtract, bring down, so you get 9.42. All right, I would like to do one more of these, like number 14. So if I slide this up, 18 does not go into 7, but I believe 8, so I'm going to put a 0 here, but I believe 18 goes into 72. You have your pink sheet if you need to use it. I'm okay if you just do 72. Stop, the airplane is not coming to our house. Just stop. You're safe. We're all safe. I know you're trying to tell me, but it's fine. Oh, my Lord. He likes to talk back to you like a little kid. That's what he's doing right now. So I'm saying you're going to hear him because he's going to be talking to me for a while. All right. So I think we're good on this. We spent a lot of time doing it this summer, but I do want to go over some of these story problems. So you have 50 on number 1, 50.4 ounces of lemonade is poured equally into 8 cups. So you're taking them and dividing it into 8 cups. How many ounces are in each cup? Ounces can have a decimal point, so it's okay. So I'm going to slide up this. 8 goes into 50 6 times. That's a 48. And when I subtract, I get 2. I bring down the 4 and it goes in. So it's 6.3 ounces. Okay. Eliza paid $16.80 for a 40-pound bag of food. So 40 goes into $16.80. Well, 40 does not go into 16, right? And so I am okay if you use your calculator to go, okay, 40 times 4, like 160. Okay. 40 times 4 is 160. So that's 8, and I bring this down, that's 80. Well, 40 goes in there twice, so it's 42 cents per pound. Okay? All right, so I would like you to pause the video, and I would like you to do these two. I think you'll have it after those two. Marcy pays per... I know, it's just going to rain, and I know there's stuff going on. It's going to be okay. All right? Marcy pays her text message that she sends. If she spends 124 if she sent 124 text messages and paid $16.12, how much does she pay? Can you believe we used to pay by the text message? There was not unlimited. Could you imagine that? So I'm taking $16.12 and I sent 124 text messages. So this goes back to, I know 124 does not go into 16. So if you have to take out your calculator, well, I know this would be a 1 because that would be a 124. And then I subtract. So 7, 3, bring down the 2. Okay, does 124. If you have to take out your calculator and do 372 divided by 124. Oh, 3. That's okay with me. So my answer is 13 cents per message. And yes, I know you could have just divided that, but I want you to work on knowing how to do it by hand. All right, the last one. Julia and her 2 sisters went out to lunch. If the bill came to $47.22 and they shared it equally, how much will each person pay? Julia and her 2 sisters. So that is 3 people. Okay, so you're taking the bill and you're splitting it equally. Sliding up the decimal point, goes in here once. Bring down the 7, goes in there 5 times, which is 15. Bring down the 2, goes in there 7 times, which is 21. I subtract. So my answer is $15.74 is how much everybody's paying.